What do you do, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. Today's video is going to be about the Delta Venture. So just an update about how the project is doing. Okay, so it's been more than 50 days that the project's been live, up and running, and so far so good. As you can see right here, this is the dashboard where you got all the stats in regards to the project. Okay, so and now over here on top, instead of just having one and two, pool one and pool two, now we have the USDT pool, we have the BNB pool, old pool number one and old pool number two. And the total investment so far has been 272,000 bucks, okay, which is impressive, right? So the project is steadily growing, okay? So over here, you might be asking, why there is two pools, USDT and BNB? Some people like to have BNB. Some people have BNB, just waiting for the price appreciation. And instead of just having the BNB sat in your wallet doing nothing, you might as well come over here and deposit and let it roll. But other people like to roll with USDT stablecoin. Okay, it's the same thing. So the daily APR is variable. It depends on the tradings. And if you come over here, click on this icon, you will see the return history. Okay, so today's 175, yesterday was 111, the day before 120, and you get the idea. Okay, so it changes according to the trades. So now you might be wondering, how the hell we know um, what happened? Okay, so you come over here to docs. Okay, and this is the docs. You click on trading and you have the trading history. Okay, so for example, if you click on the latest trading report, you can see that this report goes from the 29th of June till the 15th of June. If you click on the next one, on the previous one, it goes from the 15th of June till the 29th of June, and you get the idea. Okay, it goes on the 15 days, 15 days, 14 days. So it goes every 14 days. Okay, so every 2 weeks, they will come over here and give us an update about the trading system. Okay, so today is the 15th, so probably in a few days, probably on this next Friday or so, and we will have the latest reports. And in this report, it will show you every single thing. So the coins they have been trading. So the position, buying or selling. So the quantity, the entry time, entry price, exit time, exit price, and profits in dollars and profits in percentage. Okay, over here we can see would be good to have a summary, either a summary of the average profits. Okay, but it's cool. And over here we should be able to see the summary of the average profits earned, but it's cool anyway. And down here we can see the total profit from the past week, 108,000 US dollars. Okay, so I asked on the TG group, what's the amount they are currently trading? So let's see if somebody gets back to me. So would be nice to know what's the amount they are currently trading with. Okay, but the project itself, it's doing well, it's gaining traction. Like I said, you have two options at the moment. Okay, so you have the USDT pool or the BNB pool. These old pools, they are no longer accepting deposits. Okay, if you are in this pool, you can continue to roll with me, which I am. So I'm on the pool number 2, and right there you can see my investment. You can see my rewards that I've earned so far, and you can see when it's going to be my next claiming. Okay, so I can also deposit. Deposit is open, okay? But what I've been doing is just compounding. So every 7 days I come over here and compound. And on this old pool, the ROI is fixed to 1.5%, and this one is fixed to 0.8%. So this one, after 45 days, the cooldown period will, the 50% tax will vanish, okay? And instead of paying 50% tax on withdrawals, you're only going to pay 10% tax on your withdrawals, okay? And after that, so for example, if I want to just claim, where is it? If I want to just claim, let's say, $10, I can come over here and claim $10. and I will not have another 45 days lockdown. Okay, so this withdrawal fee will remain at 10%. Okay, after the first 45 days. Okay, which a really cool thing. So these two pools, they work a little bit different. Okay, so you can only claim your rewards every 15 days after your first claim. Okay, so if you come over here to the docs, so you can claim your rewards bi-weekly, which means every 14 days. So after your first claim, you can only claim once 14 days is over. Okay, so let's see what they say over here. Possibly another suggestion, we can send the field to add onto the next trade update sheet. Okay, so yes, they will probably update this on this sheet, so we will know how much, what's the amount of funds they are trading with. Okay, but I suppose they are trading with a big amount, because making 108K in 14 days, it requires a lot of experience and all that. Okay, and another cool thing about these trading reports is you can actually see video. So if you click over here, we'll take you to the TG. All right, and over here in TG, you can see a video where they are transparent and showing you all the trading reports. Okay, apart from there, we have the insurance fund. So the current insurance fund has 10K in it, and over here is where you can find all the contracts. So for example, I'm on this contract right here, 1.5% contract, currently has 32K. Okay, this one right here has 3.6K. The BNB pool has 92 BNB, and the USDT pool has 66,000 USDT. Okay, so this one is the more famous one. A lot of people has USDT, so you can see lots of deposits. Okay, but yes, guys, as far as I can see, project is doing well. The team has been transparent. And yeah, so let's see what happens in the next month or two time, and hopefully the project will still up and running. Traders will still be able to do trades and perform with good quality, bringing profits in, so people can continue to invest, and this project can last for a few months. Okay, so that being said, guys, I'm gonna wrap this video up. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.